Hey there, it's me. You know, executive producer at Disney Productions. Now, I know there's some upset people about our last video, and I can see why. It wasn't up to our total quality, so quality control made sure to wrap this in a little neat bow tie to a little gift, and put them in a little box and send them to our great friends in Vietnam. Now, I know there might be some concerns for their safety, but don't worry about that. I've got that all covered. So, sit back, relax, enjoy the video, and always stay golden.
Quân Việt Nam đi chung lòng yêu quốc, bước chân dồn vang trên đường ân người xa, cờ in máu chiến thắng mang hồn nước, súng quay sao trên khúc.
The low rider, the low rider is a little higher.
I don't know what you want.
Go home, GI! Go home, GI!
What do you want?
Over his back! Go beat it over his back! Not over his back!
Penis.
No!
Stop breaking! Break them! What do you want? I'm homeless! Oh god, the mask is on. I'm not seeing your face back!
Now, D now!
My wife left me in 2005!
My wife left me in 2005.
My wife left me. Please. Oh. I just got custody of the kids, please. What do you want from me?
Ah!
Disney, please! I'll repent! I'm sorry! I'll make a better film! Please! I'm sorry, Mel! I'm sorry! Where? I'm homeless! Where the fuck are we going? Don't say shoot!
We should do an ISIS style execution video now.
Yes? I've been released by my overlords Disney, and I'm here to make a nature documentary like I promised. Come with me.
Hey, shut the fuck up, you damn Vietnamese bastards! Jesus Christ! Yeah, hey. There's a lot of concrete in this jungle.
Shut the fuck up. We're in the great outdoors.
Whoa, what's that right there?
Lunch. Oftentimes you won't be able to survive out here. But lucky for you, Ernie Wild, will show you in my new and improved How to Survive documentary.
Fuck it!
Go! Get the fuck out of here, you goddamn. How to survive in the wild.
Can we even say that?
Get lost in my hair.
Take it out, take it out.
Okay. Don't be good. Don't be good.
Oh wow, what type of tree is this?
This is called a gay tree. It's very homosexual. As you can see, it's not very straight. It's a little joke. Oh, fuck me. In the wild, you have to be careful not to get balls on you.
Balls?
Yes, balls. Animals can sense homosexuality. That's why they never remade The Lion King.
Oh wow, what type of tree is this?
This is called a gay tree. It's very homosexual. As you can see, it's not very straight. It's a little joke. Oh, fuck me. In the wild, you have to be careful not to get balls on you.
Balls?
Yes, balls. Animals can sense homosexuality. That's why they never remade The Lion King. We're in Florida.
Oh.
So you see, out here you gotta be careful of the local wildlife, like wild tigers, polar bears, Asian kids. In the wild, you don't want to be cut dead without food. So right now we're gonna go try to find some food, boil some water, because I'm not fucking retarded. I'm not gonna drink piss water. Ah! You fucking dirty animal! Now, I just got bit. So I'm gonna show you how to suck out the poison, alright? Okay, so running for your lives. Vacation boy, we gotta find water, but we're not gonna make it. You understand? As you can see, Florida has a lot of sand. Very educational. Yes. What do you see? Right there. The worst kind of man. Water.
Ah, fuck!
Drought. Oh! There it is, boys. We have water. Now, you don't want to drink dirty piss water from the river. Nah, fuck that. What you want to do is find a nice clean puddle. No piss water. You fuck! You animal! This is the water you want.
No, this is pod racing!
It smells like shit. Now let's get the fuck out of here.
It's full of parasites. Parasites!
Shut up.
What type of parasites?
Go back to your country. Wait a minute. I'm brown. I'm brown. So, I got in a fight with a local water bear. It did not end well. We lost one of the cameras.
Is that him? Is that the water bear?
Kiss me goodbye and write me while I'm gone. Goodbye, my sweetheart, hello, Vietnam.
America has heard the bugle call, and you know it involves us one and all. I don't suppose that war will ever end. There's fighting that will break us up again.